Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of this Thirsty Buddha soda. We got this at Costco, and this is their version of like a Zevia. So, and if you look at it, it's got carbonated water. You can read the ingredients here. They use monk fruit, but they still use sugar. I tried the lime version. It was alright. And then you have to be careful. These actually have quite a bit of fiber in there. So, alright. Let's open this up. Do a quick taste test. Okay, so it's not as fizzy as the Zevia. It tastes like cola. It is kind of sweet though. It tastes kind of sweet. So, but it's not as fizzy. So it's all right. If I had to choose between this one or the lime's okay. It has a little bit more flavor, I guess. So, all right, stay tuned, more videos, guys.